Riders ready? Watch your light.
Right, there goes Alaska, closest to us, in the yellow helmet. There he goes. There he goes. He's going hard. I think he's going into first place. There goes Alaska. Look at that guy go. Alaska is leading the pack in this qualifier. Look at him go. There goes Alaska. Coming around that turn. Dig, 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 dig. Alaska leading the pack here. They're going into the final turn there. There he is, coming into the finish line. Into the end. Alaska takes it.